Today we're going to learn how to make some origami boxes for this gift giving season or any time of the year. They're fun because they're like a whole extra gift. You get whatever's inside, but then also you get this great thing that you can kind of personalize. If you have a friend that likes ladybugs or dolphins and can't decide which they like best, give them both. And you can fill it with whatever you want. So the box can be a gift all into itself. What did I get? Legendary rock goddess Joan Jett. So you can reuse, so it's also a gift for the earth, any kind of material to make it more fun. Like this used to be a calendar. You can use foil to make an aluminum box. You can use old cards. Your box can be any size. It's only limited by the size of the paper. Catalogs are great, lots of good colors and pictures. Maps. You can make a box out of any of these maps. Old calendars are perfect, lots of great pictures in there that would much rather be a box than be recycled. Wallpaper. This is all wallpaper, this is wallpaper, and you can get these books for free if you go to a wallpaper store and ask for the old sample books. And all this can be folded into a box. It's just this easy. So I'll start with a small one so you can get a closer look and see how we do it. But the size of the paper can be any size you want. Just so you know that the box will be about 1/3 as big when you're done. So what we're gonna do, there's a lot of lines here, but it actually goes pretty simple. What you're gonna do is start with a square and then take the corners and fold them in twice. So this will be easier with the lines on here. And if you keep doing that, and go around, so fold the corner to the center, make the crease, then fold that in half. So now that's at the center. So we're making creases, we're making lines where all the folds, where all the lines are. So now we have the whole grid pattern on there. Once you do that, we're going to fold the center across, turn it into a triangle, and do it the other way. Now we're ready to start boxing. So these two solid lines on this we'll have to cut in order to complete our box. This is just a dull one to kind of show you how easy it is. Then we'll do a second one that's a lot more fun. Now you take the corners that are the big triangles and fold them into the middle. Now it's going to start to look like a box. So I'll do that again. Fold the outside corner into the middle so they meet. Fold it up. And then fold these guys around on those lines that you already made. Now what's going to hold it together? These other flaps. They'll come up and over and hold everything in. So I'll do that again. This one comes up and over and holds it in. That one worked out pretty well. If it doesn't, you can always add a piece of tape or add a picture. It doesn't have to be Joan Jett in the middle to kind of hold it in place. So now I'll show you how to do it on another piece. So you can have it just, here's a good pro tip. Anyway, if you make up a template like this beforehand, you can make sure that you get the image you want on the bottom of your box or the top of your box. So I cut this one out so I can make sure my box is going to have that baby sloth on there. So now I can trace it and cut out that square that will be guaranteed to have a baby sloth on it. I'm also making this the same size as this box. So if you start with the same size paper, it'll end up with the same size box, so they'll fit together. All right, now, because I want the sloth face on the outside, I'm gonna flip it upside down, and we'll start over. This time, we'll make our big X fold first. And fold it again, corner to corner. And now we'll make that grid pattern. So the corner goes into the middle, fold it, fold that in half, and repeat. There we go, we got our grid, we got our folds, and now I'm going to cut, like we did before, 2 squares from one corner and the opposite corner. All right, here we go. So the outside ones go into the middle, fold up to become one side of the box, fold around, fold the wings around, do the same thing on the opposite side, come around, these last corners come up and over, and you have an instant box with a baby sloth on the bottom. And now these will fit together because they're almost the same size. Ta-da! So try it out. Find some fun stuff to personalize your presents this year, and know that you're really giving the present to Mother Earth by not making more garbage. So if you like this video, please check out the other ones on the YouTube channel or at chicagoparkdistrict.com. Thank you.